go live on another stream. All right, welcome. Hey, hello. I was trying to do something like. What time is it? I'm trying to like do something to this. Hello, everybody. What's up, bro? Don't mind me. Just working on the Sonic game here. Let's get it popping. How's your spaghetti? It's still on my face, I think. It's delicious. If you were to be a Sega member, what game would you make? I would make a I'd either make like a new Sonic Spinball game, which I'm already gonna do anyway. Or I'd either make a 2D Sonic Spinball game or a 3D Sonic Spinball game, or I'd just make a 3D Sonic game. That's the only things I would think of. I would also like, well, I'm already remaking Sonic 16, but I would make a 3D game that was similar to that. Basically, is this thing just like rotated or something? Or is it mirror flipped? So if I mirror flip this right now, what's it gonna look like? Oh, okay, so it is like mirror flipped. Okay, so I'm just gonna chop that down the middle. Like that. Hello. Q&A stream. Q&A stream. Yeah, just ask me questions, whatever, I'll answer. That's what I want people to do, but all the time, people kind of just sit there and watch me and don't even say anything. It's weird. Supersonic Legacy Pro Movie. It's funny. Oh my god. What? What's going on, chat? What's going on? Our other stream doesn't got anybody watching either. I guess they're all watching this one. Welcome to the streamy stream. Man. Sleepy, man. I feel like I shouldn't work on the backgrounds and stuff yet, because I should just get the gameplay done. I'm like thinking about adding this background here. Like it's gonna take too long. Like, okay, so I feel like this game has a lot to it. That's the thing. This game does have a lot to it. I want to get rid of those big sprites. I'll be working on that. It's not worth it. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm gonna organize some code here. Let's go to the beginning. Wall intersect player state. Direction, angle, radiance. Move X, acceleration. Idle. Not what I want. Okay, I found something. Idle. Sprites, idle top. -1. Let's see, I don't want that. Or even is sprites nowhere. Sprite. Okay, I gotta test it, see if it's still working. Hello guys. I am using socks right now. I'm wearing socks, but I'm not wearing shoes. Okay, game still seems to be working. I gotta erase that code. It's almost summer, isn't it? Out there it is. Very hot. Initialize cam direction. Final angle 2 is moving. On wall. Hit wall. I want this somewhere else. Right here. Sprite index equals 0. Image speed. Sprite. Camera. Looks good. See all this, I don't know what it's doing. Oh man, it's a mess. What's this? Z speed, Z size on Z axis. I don't know. Facing. Target facing direction. Walk speed. Key X, key Y, key L. Y plus. Just call it variables for now. Variables. Rings, dash, hit wall, falling. 3D ramp. My feet are the best. How are you gonna add Tails in 3D Blast when he is an unplayable character? He's not gonna be a playable character. That's what I wasn't gonna do. I was just gonna put him in the game how he is originally in the game. He kind of just stands there. I could add him as a playable character. Like I can edit the sprites and make it work, but then I'd have to add flying in the game, and that's gonna add a whole other problem with collisions and stuff. I'd have to give him like a different type of collision system. Like you'd have to have a some sort of like capsule collision where you collide, like you can like collide with all the walls without going through anything, which I could possibly do that, but I don't feel like doing it. So I don't feel like, I feel like just focusing on Sonic anyway, because I don't want to add, because if I add Tails, then I'm going to have to add Knuckles too, because Knuckles is in the game as well. Speaking of adding Tails, I'm going to do that right now. Where's Tails? I don't see him. Oh, it is there. Just couldn't see it. Where is he? There it is. No, I don't know what's going for. Okay. Okay. I think it's like probably a 68 by 68 looking. image. Can't tell. 69, I guess. Okay, Takashi. Okay. No, I was right the first time. Okay. I think there's a separation. 1 and 1. And there's like a pixel offset. Don't understand what is going on with this. Width. Oh my God. Ugh. How are you, Sonic? I just am. I just am. Just am. Why is this being weird? So weird. Hold on. This doesn't make sense. There's 10. 15, 20. All right, so there we go. That seemed to be it. Looks right to me. Looks good enough. I don't know if anybody's watching my other stream, but I'm working on my game here. Tails. Oh, messed it up. I gotta fix this. Hold on. Right. Oh, tell me I gotta do this like 20 times. Hold on. Oh, whatever. Been messing around with that all day. Hold on. Erase the color. Where is it? Erase the color. All right. Looks like tails. All right, now I gotta add border. Which I haven't figured out why it does that anyway. 15, 16, 18, 20. Bam. Okay. Tails. Bam. He's done. What does he have? 19 sprites, 20 sprites. Okay. Pretty much it. Knuckles has a border, it looks like. Put Tails like right here somewhere. Okay, added Tails. Let me show you guys the game. If everything is right, Tails should be standing behind there. Standing right here. There he is. Looks perfect like that. Looks good. Looks like he's just chilling. Tails. You know, Tails and Knuckles are not gonna add Eggman. Next, I'm gonna add Eggman like a boss fight, but like, I'm thinking we should just add the boss fight. I added a speed boost. Let me see if I can rotate it. Like 90 degrees. Maybe 270? Yeah, 270. Let's see if that actually rotates the model. I doubt it, but it could possibly do that, which would be very useful. I would really think that's useful. Definitely didn't. It did not. The speed booster looks too big anyway. And it it kind of like doesn't even match the sprite almost. It's weird. Let's see, where is that speed boost thing? It's not centered. I don't know if it does seem like it follows the orientation because it's exactly where it is in the center. So let's see. Maybe I can like draw the model. Draw model. Is there a way to rotate it? If you want to rotate or scale the model, you can use the transform routines. Set rotation Z. What's the rotation variable for here? The object rotation. I guess image rotation. Hold on, where's that? Texture set identity. Yeah, that's what I gotta do. Hold on. Image angle. It'd be the image angle, right? Because like in the room editor, it seems like you just rotate the image angle. Anyway, it says rotation is to say image angle instead, but I guess not. I'm gonna keep it consistent. I guess rotation sounds better, but I don't know. It's misleading. Let's see. Well, that got rid of the model completely. Model's gone. That's not good. Set identity. This will set the origin. Maybe on the Y. Is it like, do I got everything all wrong, like the X, Y, and Z thing? Probably thinking of Blender. Probably thinking like the rotation thing's a Blender, and I still don't see the model anywhere. You see X maybe? You guys definitely don't know what I'm talking about. I'm coding right now, so. Well, the model's gone, so it has nothing to do with that. Maybe get rid of the set identity stuff. Probably don't need it. If I don't need it, I don't need it. It's gone, and for some reason, Tails is acting weird. That's weird that Tails would act like that. Like the Tails object just broke. Like something glitched out. So weird. I think it's like it's trying to like figure out what to do with that code, and it's just like putting it on Tails, like whatever. Right, that makes sense. So how am I supposed to do this? Draws the model in the room. If you want to rotate or scale the model, use the trans routines, but they don't give you an example of how to do that. Like, did I ever try to rotate the loop-de-loop? I've had to have. Loop, visible. I don't want to do that anymore. Get rid of that. Step of that. Okay, so I didn't do that yet. Did I ever try to rotate any model? What do I have? The loop-de-loop and the pond. I've had to rotate this. No, apparently not. Where's these pawns? Well, I gotta get rid of these things. I didn't get rid of it yet because, yeah, it's right. I wanted to keep it for like, if I want to make a model with like separate textures, I know what I'm doing. Model load. Giant script. Wish there was a way to fix this. Vertex normal texture. It makes like a giant triangle list of every vertex. Man, I'm so mad. I don't know what I'm doing. Should I set rotation or add rotation? What's translation? Where's used for drawing assemblies? I recorded this. What the look like you took the object and simply moved it. Okay. Okay, so that's just to move. Yeah, I already know that. Just being stupid. Scaling. Should I add rotation? Maybe. Over there. Yeah. Let's see. This seems like this is like what I want to do. Just add rotation to it. I don't know. Hopefully it's not like it keeps rotating. It didn't work. Okay. So I'm gonna have to do this. Set identity thing. I don't know why it's doing that. Model draw. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it worked. Like the rotation worked. But it's at the wrong position. Okay. So it's working. It's just not in the right position. What should the so set the origin of the 3D world to location 0, 0, 0, which is the center of the world. This means that you define an object at this point and then perform transforms on it to change the angle, scale, position without worrying about the actual room coordinates. It is important to end transformation afterwards. Okay, so I gotta set translation to the center. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so X, Y, Z. Set the translation, right? That's what I'm missing. That's exactly what I need to do. Okay. My brain hurts, but now I know how to rotate the 3D objects. I needed to be able to do that. Well, I still don't know because I haven't done it yet. Why is it? It's like putting it at the end of the room. Like stupid. Doesn't make sense. What? Okay, so transform identity, set translation to what? Why? XYZ doesn't know it's this. Does this go in the create event? Exam. Well, it wouldn't because it's in the draw event. Should I rotate it first? Should I rotate it first, then add translation, then draw? Should I draw? It's saying draw after you translate, so. Now it's gone. Now the model is gone. Oh, it's in a different spot. Okay. So now it's not rotated and it's in an arbitrary spot. It's in a very arbitrary spot. Let me try to draw it and then set the translation. Because I'm doing like a weird way of importing these models anyway, so GameMaker probably has no idea what's going on, so I probably gotta just kind of mess with it. Now it's back to where it was. Oh my god. How do I add like the oh, I should set it to 000 because that's where it, like that's how you're supposed to do it, I think. I don't know why, but I've done something like that before where it's like instead of XYZ, it 000. It still didn't work. It's still in the same spot. It's like the model is at 000, so that's like basically its center. So come on, why is this not working? It should work. So what's up, guys? There it is. Okay. So it's in the right spot, but it's not rotated now. Okay. Let's try this. Add translation, draw model, then rotate. That should work. Okay, it's in the same spot, but it didn't rotate. Okay, so add translation, then rotate. Isn't that what I did already? It's like back to where it was. Okay. Well, what? Let's see if a number works. which doesn't help. Now it's like, it seems like it's rotating like at like a world position, or like the thing is like now I see what it's doing. It's rotating in a weird way. So maybe if I uncenter it, so right now it's at the center, so it should be like right here if it's correct. And it's not. Okay, so that did nothing. It did absolutely nothing. Okay. So now I know that does nothing. That does nothing. That does nothing. Let's get rid of that rotation for now. Let's see what the translation thing does. See if I could move it. This is important because I had a problem with this before. Okay, so it's there. Translation. Let's see if I can move it like up like 100 pixels and get it like floating in the air somewhere. Okay, so that works. So I can move them. Which I could have done that anyway in like the draw thing. But so what if I put X? What if I put X? It should be on the X position, right? Just the center. Okay, so it's saying X is all the way down here for whatever reason. So let's see what XYZ does. Let's see where the XYZ, because this is making it more clear now. So the XYZ positions are not in the right spot. And that might have been because something I did in Blender. So it's saying XYZ is here, which isn't correct at all. Now I see it. Now I see why it's doing that. All right. So X is really here, but it's saying it's really there. And that's because of something I did in Blender. And I know why. Because I need this 0, 0, 0, right? Draw the model as 0, 0, 0. Because that's what they do in the example anyway. They do that. Okay. Okay, so good. Okay, it's in the right spot now. Okay. Ah, now I get it. See, that's what I was trying to think of before. So now we gotta add the rotation. It should be good. That's what we need to do. Got it. See, using power of my brain here. And it didn't work. Okay. Oh, damn. I almost had it. Almost had it, bro. Almost had it. Okay. So it's saying it's rotating. It rotated right, but it's in the wrong spot still. Okay. I think I can fix this. Rotate first. Does it show you what to do? Okay. So now it's in the right spot. It's not rotated right. Dang. Why is it so hard? It should work. I have to fix this because I can't just have the models in like one rotation. I gotta rotate them. It'll be only facing one way. Like the loop-de-loops would only be facing one way. And that's not what I want. Oh, God dang. Understand. All right, so let me see what happens if I get rid of these. I thought I had it. Bro. I thought I had it. Okay, so I'm drawing the model at 0, 0, 0. That makes sense. I want to draw it at X, Y, Z. Right? Then I want to set translation to something. If I set this to Android, what happens? So there's some sort of like offset somewhere in the thing. The model has some sort of offset, so that's what's causing this. 0, 0, 0. Didn't I do this already? I did this already. So this is the problem. Okay, it's in the right spot again. Maybe do it again. That'd be a weird way of doing it, but if it works, it works. Let's go. That's weird. See, now it's not rotated. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. should work. Maybe. No way. Hold on. What the heck? Did something. It did something. It's all rotated weird. Ah, dang. Okay. Oh, I get it. Hold on. This should be 0. Oh, man. Come on, dude. Let's see. Come on, dude. Why you gotta be annoying right now? See what? Oh, I think I get it now. I think I get it. Hold on. So I think the 1s and 0s are for something like, okay, so like you don't want it rotating on the Y or X, but you want it on the Z, so you put 1 like to set it. So it's like it's a freaking binary, or not a binary, whatever the true and false is. And it didn't work either, so did something. Binary, like, what's true and false called? It's on the tip of my tongue. It's not what it would be. Oh my god, bro, what the heck? A Boolean. It's a Boolean. How do I forget that? I had some programming. I forget what a Boolean is. The speed booster is still broken. I don't get it. Wait. So if I put Z, so what if I put 0, and then plus edge angle. That wouldn't make sense either, because tell me if that works. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay. Nothing. Now it's like gone. Where's that? Right there. Okay, so it's drawing at 0, 0, 0. It's rotated. This ain't doing nothing, seems like. Okay, so now this should do X, Y. Right? That would make sense, but it's setting this identity thing. I don't know if that even does. No transformation. Okay. I think I get it. I think I got to do it after. Okay, like this, right? Please work. Oh, it didn't. Now where is it? Still there? Why? Right here. Didn't I try that already? Had to have. Okay, now it's not rotated. What's going on here? After. Should I do it after? Maybe. I don't know. Should I rotate it after? This should be simple, but it's not. It's not simple at all. Let's see if this works. That's pushing it, but I doubt it. I don't know. This probably sounds so stupid too. Probably sounds so stupid. Okay. It don't work. I don't know what's going on. Okay, this does not want to cooperate, apparently. Really doesn't. This does not want to cooperate. I wish someone in the chat like knew. Like I wish somebody in the chat was like, yeah, just do that. Set identity rotation. Oh, it's annoying me. It's a pain, dude. It's a pain in the butt. This is annoying me. Oh my god. Alright, I'll be back, bro.